So, this week episode was the continued episode of last week. It seemed like the guy and the detective was finishing playing the game. So, the guy get back his memory that he killed the guy that raped his sister. And then the detective remembered that he killed the guy that killed his wife. Now, when they killed that guy, the detective was so happy. It was joy. He became a murderer. So they were finished up playing the game. And when they keep on playing the game, they get back almost all of their memory. Now, seeing that the detective get back all of his memory first, the detective went there to kill the guy that the teenage guy was killing for his sister, the one that raped his sister, because the detective was there watching the guy raping the guy's sister and didn't do anything about it. So because of that, the guy was upset when he find out that he killed the detective, but he was more upset when he find out that the detective was there watching his sister get raped and he didn't do anything to stop it. Now they come give the guy a chance to give the detective, make the detective feel pain by destroying all of the disc. Now the assistant was telling Deckham that he can't do that. She was telling it off that he wasn't alive. He don't know what it means to be a human. So because of that, Deckham was hurt. Deckham was heartbroken. For the first time, Deckham feel emotion. So in the end, the guy stopped all of the discs when the girl was trying to stop him, because the detective was tempting him. The detective was telling him that I'm gonna be a sacrifice for you, for your sister. So the detective was tempting him, and in the end, the guy stopped all of the discs and give the detective a whole lot of pain. In the end, the guy turned same thing like the detective. He turned out the same like the detective was smiling when he destroyed the detective. Now, in my option, both of them are going to hell. Seriously, they're going to hell. The detective, when he killed the guy, he felt enjoyment. He become a murderer. He could have stopped the guy from raping the guy's sister. If he stopped that now, the guy would have become a murderer, and the detective wouldn't have died. But still, we don't know how the guy died. That's one of the problem about this episode. We find out how the detective died, but we don't know how the guy died. So if you know how he died, leave a comment in the comment box. Subscribe, like the video, and give this episode an 8 out of 10, because for the first time they feel emotion. I was gonna say thank you for watching. Hope to see you again.